Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, and today's video is going to be on the Zombi Palm. The reason I'm doing a quick one over here, I'm trying to compete with the air conditioner, which is competing with the storm above me, and we just wanted to cover. Every once in a while I go through and I take the weeds out of certain plants, and this was the zombie's turn. So the zombie, any other palm tree, cool. You have no problem doing in a pot like this. It's very easy to remove the little weeds. See those little darlings that are around there? Well, any other palm tree will be cool to do it. On the zombie palm tree, no. Zombie palm tree offers you a few little perks. Now let me see. I'm going to get you real close in here so you can see the perks. Let me get it out of the way. There we go. There we go. All right, now those lovely little weeds. Normally I would pull them. I pulled out, I'd say about 7 or 8 where you're looking at it at the moment, and got them out okay. But see those little green things in there? They're okay to pull out if you can go in there quietly and pull them out. And it's just starting to rain, so this is going to be a quick one. And start to pull them out. The only trouble is those little things that are sticking up, or what you call like, I think that's probably where they got the term zombie from. These little things just stick out, protecting mother plant from the rest of the world. And that's why I think they call it the zombie plant. I'll do a little research on it later on for the next video of doing it. But I just wanted to cover this one quick to show you what it looks like. I love about this palm. I made the mistake last year of splitting it, but this year I'm not splitting it. There's 2 of them. Have to distinctly tell you the difference between the 2. Let me get down over here, pull the thing out there. There you go. The mother plant on the left, and the one that materialized on the right after I had destroyed it. So there you go. There's a ton of weeds over there, and lightning is just popping all over the place, and I'm going inside because I don't like to die. Alright, so that's Marty Dougherty signing off with the zombie palm, and I will get the weeds tomorrow because it's getting a little wet at the moment, as you can see. Thank you for stopping by, and this is Marty from the Dougherty Palm. I was going to do a few more videos, but like I say, the air conditioning is going, and I got a few other things that I promised to do today, and I'll try and get them out of the way for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.